ellipses. So it's not just the proforms that are omitted from a text to economize the language. There are certain other things that we omit from the text, or that we avoid to bring in a text to be precise and economic. For example, speakers often reduce redundancy by leaving out superfluous information, that is unnecessary information. Why unnecessary? Because the previous sentence or previous part of the sentence has the same information, and the reader and the listener can easily comprehend the gap of or that missing information. So information which can easily be recovered from this situation or the context. So this is often omitted, and this type of omission is known as ellipsis. So this phenomena is called ellipsis. Elliptical sentences depend for their interpretation on what precedes them in discourse. As I just said, that the sentence has clues for the constituent which has been ellipted, because reader or the listener can easily understand in the discourse. Thus, when did Suzanne leave? Right? So instead of answering the whole that Suzanne leave at 5 o'clock, we normally do at 5. We know that the other person will easily understand that what we are talking about. We are talking about that person, or we are answering the question of what is being asked to us. So when did Suzanne leave? So at 2 o'clock. It's enough. The other person will easily understand that what time we are giving to him or to her. We may assume that in this response sentence, the string Suzanne left has been omitted, and this is very much understandable to our listener. The omission from speech or writing of a word or words that are superfluous are able to be understood from the contextual clue. As I just said, they are easily understood, and this is what we all do day and night when we are talking in our language or in second language. However, it's very important that it's very rare for an ellipsis to occur without a linguistic antecedent. I mean, without a linguistic antecedent mean that there is some noun of reference to which fills the gap of the omitted part or the constituent of the sentence. So there is always, for example, in any case, if we delete a subject from in a coordinated sentence, especially the second subject, we know that everyone can understand that it is the first subject or of the sentence of the first clause is to be taken here or to be understood here. So these are very normal and understandable things.